Calculating bitch affirmation. I am a calculating bitch. On the inhale, calculating. On the exhale, bitch. And everyone who judges me, they can go fuck themselves. I radiate the attraction of luxury. On the inhale, attraction. On the exhale, luxury. My habitat, luxury resorts and business class. Inhale the scent of private jets and luxury brands. Exhale the hollow promises of smooth talkers. My soul came with a luxury package from the universe. On the inhale, we fill ourselves with energy. On the exhale, we tell all the broke guys to go fuck themselves. All those who suggest 50-50. The abusers, the narcissists, the psychopaths, as well as those who've been lingering on dating sites for years. A cosmic black hole sucks them in so fast that I don't even have time to notice them, and I am invisible to them. Inhale the night breeze on the terrace of a chic restaurant. Exhale Netflix and KFC nights. Everyone who came with the universe's standard package, child support, mortgages, care for on the weekend, stay in another dimension of the universe. We come from different galaxies, and that is why we will never cross paths. The universe has decided it so. I am a magnet for generous men. I am a magnet for all the best things in life. I am a calculating bitch, and it's my superpower.